that calf. Go ahead and release a little and press right back. We'll bring our shoulders in alignment right over our wrists as we send that leg high behind us as the opposite arm comes high as well. So you have your right hand reaching out and your left foot reaching out behind you. Really focusing on finding length here. As we exhale, pulling in elbow to knee, inhale and extend. Elbow to knee and extend, pressing out through your hand, through your foot. Bring it in and extend. Crunch in and extend. Crunch in and extend. Hold here, find length. Inhale, pulse up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hold it up for a second. Go ahead and find center and plant right back down. We'll go ahead and shoot our right foot back, pressing into that heel. Big calf stretch on this side. Go ahead and gently release, then come right back into the stretch. As we hinge forward, our right foot will come off the mat and our opposite hand will reach up tall. So now we have our left hand and our right foot. Creating as long of a line as possible from our foot to our hand, and we'll begin those crunches in. So go ahead and exhale and crunch